Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today I am going to be giving you guys part 2 of my travel vlog from my all girls trip to Orlando, Florida. We had such a blast. Today we are at SeaWorld and we are just enjoying ourselves, you guys. I have gone on rides that I never would have gone on by myself. So enjoy the video. I would love for y'all to watch it from beginning to end, and if this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe and become a part of our family. Okay guys, go ahead and enjoy the music and enjoy the video. Y'all, I just want to document that this is what I just went on with my girls, and thank God I'm still alive. Oh my gosh. It's the Manta at SeaWorld. So much fun, but OMG. Whew. So hey guys, we are at SeaWorld. If I didn't tell y'all, literally just went on the Manta, and I felt like my entire vertebrae left my body while we were on it. Those are my girls. Oh my gosh, I don't know what ride they're gonna take me on now, but I am having so much fun. I'm going on rides that I would possibly never go on by myself. That Manta, if you guys ever make it to SeaWorld, go on the Manta. At first you feel like you're having heart palpitations, but once it starts, it just feels like you're dead. It feels like your body just leaves, your whole insides just leave your body. But it is so much fun, and I'm so glad that I did it. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm having the best time. Having the best time.
It's cute from afar, the crazy
literally one. Insane, y'all. That is what we just got off of. Oh, yeah. OMG. It was so much fun though. My husband's probably not going to believe this. My kids are probably not going to believe this. But it is the absolute truth, y'all. This is what I just went on, and I felt like my whole vertebrae came out of my body. Oh my gosh. I don't know if y'all can see it. Literally what we just came out of. Oh my gosh, so much fun.
Okay, here we go.
It was so much fun.
Here we go.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me?
sun is insane.
Oh, it's up. Oh, it's up. We there. We in that roller coaster right there. Meeks, you ain't nobody punk. You ain't no chicken.
No,
I'm
it's
doing
like
it, girl.
really. Yeah, I can't come
If
in.
you get over that.
So now we're here and we are watching the whales, you guys. This is one of the things that I looked forward to the most because I've always wanted to go to SeaWorld and see the whales. And it just was so incredible to see them in person. They are such beautiful creatures and I just had a blast just watching them. They are humongous. Oh my goodness. There's a mother and a daughter, I think, or son. And the mother is 48 years old and the son weighs 6,000 pounds. You guys, 6,000 pounds. I think they can go up to a ton. And they are highly intelligent creatures. I mean, just watching them do all the tricks and following all the commands that their instructors was giving them was so amazing to see and just to watch. It just was incredible. And I absolutely just love them. I just sitting there just really showed me how important it is for us to keep our oceans and our, beaches. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. They were showing off, y'all. They were showing off. But it's just so important to keep our oceans and our beaches. I mean, our water, our rivers, our lakes, clean and free from harm and danger for our, sea creatures because it's so important. I mean, they should be able to just swim and live freely without any hindrances of, pollution or anything like that. So if y'all don't recycle, go ahead and start recycling because it's so important for us to not have all these crazy, oh my gosh, look how beautiful. She is gorgeous. All these crazy things in the oceans and our seas and our beaches and, so on and so forth so that they can swim freely. They are showing off. I'm telling you, they're showing off. It just was so amazing. I cannot wait to take my kids to go see it in person because seeing it on TV, it doesn't do it any justice. Seeing it in person, you guys, it's almost surreal. And the instructor, they were actually talking about, that they are the number one predators in the water, in the ocean, because they are killer whales. Obviously, they're killer whales, so they are the number one predators in the ocean, you guys. But at the same time, they're super intelligent. I mean, it's insane. They are super intelligent. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video and I hope that you are enjoying the show with the whales, the orcas. And yeah, if you get a chance to go to SeaWorld, go ahead and take full advantage. It wasn't that expensive, but it wasn't that cheap either, y'all. Okay, SeaWorld is a lot of money. But plan ahead so that you can go see it and take your babies, your kids, your loved ones. I mean, adults, you have a childlike quality in you. You would definitely enjoy this show. It was stunning. The ending was my favorite part. The next time I go, I'm definitely sitting at the bottom because I just want I want what they have in that water, and the water is absolutely beautiful. And I think it's supposed to mimic the ocean. So, it's absolutely gorgeous. I just love it so much. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the travel vlogs. This is going to be the end of the travel vlogs. But I hope that you guys enjoy the travel vlogs. I enjoyed myself, my girls and I. We are 4 best friends from high school. We've known each other over 20 years. And we have, families and like life is lifing, right? And so we do this once a year. We do other things too, but this is our big, like, once a year, go away mommy trip and just have a good time. And a good time we did have. So next year we're planning. We're not sure yet. We're thinking about Hawaii or Puerto Rico, but we'll see what the Lord leads us to do. But thank you guys so much for watching and for your wonderful comments and just all your support. I really appreciate it, and I'm so glad that you guys like my hairstyle, y'all. I just did that on a whim. I did go to cosmetology school, and y'all, I don't know what it is. I forgot that I can do hair. But I am super excited that you guys liked it and that you enjoy this video as well. So I hope to see you soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Have a wonderful day, guys. Don't forget that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Bye.
Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. Perfectly opposite. I try to fight you off, but it's so useless. You circle around me like the moon around the earth, always ending with a kiss. I'm clueless. We pretend that we don't really care at all, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. Perfectly opposite. We're perfectly opposite. Perfectly opposite. We're perfectly opposite. And there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. Feel the same. Oh, there's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to